gonna try this approach where it's whatever I can kind of pull together with what I have here with a minimal amount of effort is gonna be my goal. Hey everyone, I'm Key. Welcome to my channel. I'm going to work on decorating our entryway with like Christmas decor. I want to see if I can get this done in under an hour. So let's go ahead and just jump straight in. First, let's start with Garland. It usually gets the Christmas festive feel kicked off. I think I got this faux garland from AC Moore before they went out of business a few years ago. I'm just throwing this on the handrail and tying it with some floral wrap or tie from the Dollar Tree. Then I grabbed these stems I got from Hobby Lobby and Target. I'm repurposing these. I usually add them to my table settings. You can check them out here at this link. So I bent the stems and hung them from the handrail above to continue to pull in a festive green look. Then I draped this faux garland over the console to finish tying in the greenery and floral. I love the pine cones on this garland. Next, I'm going to add in this pre-made faux wreath. But first, to bring in some red, I'm adding these berry stems I pulled from my Christmas bin. I'm sure I got them from the Dollar Tree some years ago. I don't like these leaves on here, but I'm just gonna cut them off. The Dollar Tree has some decent faux flowers. You just have to tweak them. I'm going to use this red ribbon to hang the wreath. Wreaths are such a classic way to spruce up any entryway. I believe I got this wreath from At Home a few years ago. The frosted snow instantly adds a touch of holiday cheer. Next, I'm going to decorate the console. I'm adding these battery-operated fairy lights I got from the Dollar Tree. I love how lighting changes the mood of a space. By the way, if you're new here or haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Next, I'm dropping in my Christmas Santa countdown nutcracker figure that I got from Target a few years ago. I finished the look off with some frosted pine cones from the Dollar Tree. Next, I want to add some height to the space. So I'm taking this leaf from the garland and these pine cones from the Dollar Tree and add it to this glass vase from Target. And then I'm just going to flip it over. Next, I'm going to create a little Christmas village with this vase from IKEA, this car Christmas ornament from Target, and then this Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree. And then I'm going to add in some winter eucalyptus Epsom salt as snow. And I just grabbed this from around the house. I was serious when I said I really wanted to stick to what I have here at home. I always shop my home first. So I really love this look. And then the scents from the eucalyptus Epsom salt smells amazing. Next, I added these pillows to the bench. I'm adding in the red one to keep red in every space in the entryway. And then I finished the entryway off by adding in this lantern I got from Ross about 2 years ago. I added a red bow to it so it would feel festive. And I set it on this plaid table runner I placed on the floor. So this completes the look, and I want to say this took me about 45 minutes to decorate the entire entryway, and I love this end result. I think I'm going to take this effortless approach every year. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Happy holidays!